Good morning to the all participants for Ultimate Marketing Challenge. We'll take you through the quarter one. Today you will have to accomplish all the activities given in the left side bar menu. It will start from the storyline. The storyline of the simulation is given into the Welcome to the Marketplace tab. Here you would be having the market opportunity details, and then a new kind of bike shop story is given here, which would be a very fancy and the advanced bike shop. You will go through a new price point because this is innovative technology, and you would be able to charge premium pricing for this carbon fiber technology. And as this technology is very advanced, so you need to identify your target market based upon the benefits or the advantages offered to the customers. These are the list of the advantages given to the customer in comparison to the traditional bikes vis-a-vis 3D printed bikes. And this tab would give you all the details about investment, how your business would be, how your profits would be coming, and your financial performance, market performance, marketing effectiveness, and finally the balance scorecard. So after going through this tab, you would be having detailed information about the quarter one story. And then when you move down, it will give you the more detailed information about the market. This simulation gives you an opportunity to open an international business, which would be having access to the globe. The market would be open in all the continents of the world. You may go to the New York, Amsterdam, Bangalore, Rio de Janeiro, all the continent you can spread over. So this is how you will have to decide about the market segment. The storyline, there are three market segments given: recreation, mountain, and speed, which are based upon performance and price. So the recreation segment is having lowest price and lowest performance, and targeting specifically the customers who would use this kind of bike for play or recreational purpose. The second segment is mountain segment, where the performance and price both would go up and technology would be advanced. And the highest segment is the speed segment, where you would be giving the highest grade of technology with all the advanced features with the highest pricing and performance. These are the details of the segments you can go through. I would give you quickly activities you need to do in the quarter one. You need to name the company, because as three partners you need to decide upon good name which can attract the customers or can create a good brand image in the market, reflecting your vision and your niche area of the business. Then you need to analyze the market survey. It is given here, tab under the market research. So you need to study all the details regarding customers' need, price willing to pay, market potential. So all the information is given under the tab of market research. On the basis of research done, you need to choose the initial target segment, and then as a team you need to define the responsibilities among yourself. So if you go to the tab of responsibilities, there are several responsibilities are given. You can choose from this. You can divide the responsibilities here. Finally, schedule the opening of one sales outlet in the quarter one. This is the summary for quarter one activities as a team you need to do. So after completing your all the tasks given under the tab of quarter one, you need to check the summary of decisions. So once you are through with all the decisions taken in quarter one, you just go through the summary and then go for the final check. If there is any decisions left out or some mistake during taking the decisions, that would be reflected here as a warning. If there is everything perfect, so they will show you there is no error or warning, and then finally you may click to the submit button. And when you submit, this message will pop up and you need to continue, and your decisions are submitted finally, and you will move to the quarter 2 automatically.